Here is the app called Real Sports Social Sports Data. So what is that? The app is super high right now in the charts in the US App Store. It's kind of like social media app, but also combined with sports. It's a new way to discuss live plays and games, check scores and follow your favorite players and teams, discuss, predict, and compete during live sports. So basically, this is kind of like a social media for commenting on live sports. You're watching some soccer match, some NFL. You can just instantly comment with super dedicated fans. I don't know honestly how is it different from commenting on Twitter or any other social, but seems here you just have specific community of people. And now after you created your account, you have these players. You can favorite them, and then you can welcome to Real Sports. Then you can see your feed in specific game, and then you can just go and see all the comments. You can see short chart, you can see commentary, so kind of like Twitter, but then you have specific stats, specific helpful graphics, and then you can see some basically all the teams. You can see games. So for example, if you just go to the game, you can just go and see in here like that, and then there is basically just like a live chat, and then there are settings. So yeah, basically a bit more advanced app for sports. So it's much different from Twitter, because here you have additional graphics, additional stats, details about the match, and it's super interesting. And then there are also polls, challenges, trackers, standing, ranking, stats. So here you can see standings, you can see rankings in here. So that's the idea.